Advertisement is actually a very powerful tool to promote the sales and services. It actually attracts people, that is the various audience, towards your product. It contains either phrases or can be any dependent clauses but not complete sentences. Please avoid articles, conjunctions as well as prepositions. So whatever may be the word limit that is given in the question, only that should be maintained over here. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all the young minds of class 11 CBSE. I am Dr. Shalini, your English teacher at Prep School. Today we are here to understand one of the writing skills, that is advertisement. We are going to understand what is there in today's session. First, we'll understand the meaning of an advertisement. Then we'll go on to types of advertisements. Then we'll understand what is the format of the different types of advertisement. Then we'll also look into the sample advertisement. At last, we'll understand the tips for writing an advertisement. So let us begin by understanding the meaning of an advertisement. Advertisement is actually a very powerful tool to promote the sales and services. It actually attracts people, that is the various audience, towards your product, that is the targeted group. So this can be sent through either print media or it can be through electronic media. I mean to say advertisement can be shared through print media or it can also be through this electronic media. So if it is in print media, it can be through this newspapers or magazines or any periodicals or maybe through social media also, that is the electronic media. So these are the ways in which advertisement can reach the targeted audience. So this is the meaning of an advertisement. So types of advertisements, we have many here. So first thing we have to understand is the classified advertisement that you will be writing in your answer sheets. So classified advertisement is actually, it's a printed form of advertisement and it is also very economical. Why is it economical? You will get to know. This is very brief, okay, so it contains very less text and it also occupies very less space, okay. So the place which the classified advertisement occupies is very less compared to the other type of advertisement. So this actually contains very short phrases as well as words and no complete sentences, okay. So it contains either phrases or can be any dependent clauses but not complete sentences. Whenever you are writing this classified advertisement, you need to avoid articles, that is a, an and the. Okay, you avoid a, an and the. You also avoid conjunctions, that is the joining words, and then you also avoid prepositions. So it is not a hard and fast rule that you have to let go all these. It is not like that. If at all you can avoid using it, you can do it. If at all it is very much necessary, then you can use it. That doesn't matter. Okay. So as far as possible, please avoid articles, conjunctions as well as prepositions. Okay. Using these, you will be forced to form complete sentences. Okay. So that's the reason we ask you to avoid these three parts of speech. Let's move on to the next type, that is displayed or commercial advertisement. First one was classified. The second one is displayed or commercial type of advertisement. So this can be of any size or any color. This occupies more space. So since as I told you this any size, it obviously occupies more space. To promote or sell a product, we use this displayed or commercial advertisement. So this is more or less focused on a product. This is usually visually appealing. So it is colorful. It has various sizes of text. That means obviously it will be appealing visually. So it is colorful. It has to be visually appealing, then it has to be colorful. It has variety of fonts, different sizes. Okay, some font may be very big, some font may be very small, or it can be medium also. So various sizes of fonts can be seen in this. It may involve some pictures also. Sometimes it involves only pictures, wherein pictures only deliver the message that the advertisement has to give. So this way it involves pictures also. So this is the difference between the classified and the displayed or the commercial type of advertisement. Now, let us move on to understand the format of an advertisement. So, the advertisement has to be enclosed in a box. So, when I come to tell you about this classified as well as displayed advertisement, this is in general what I'm talking about. Okay, so it always has to be enclosed within a box, be it a classified or it can be a displayed or commercial advertisement. So, this has to be enclosed in a box. This should not exceed the word limit. If at all you are given 50 words as limit in your examination, it should not exceed that. Okay, so whatever may be the word limit that is given in the question, only that should be maintained over here. Please stick on to the word limit. Then it should contain all the relevant information. So whatever information has to be given to the audience, it has to be included in this. So all the relevant information has to be put in within this 50 words limit only. Okay, so this is the format of an advertisement. Now, this is a sample advertisement that is here. Okay, so here you can see it is an advertisement placed for a job. Okay, so the principal of Sunrise Global School, Agra, requires a receptionist for her school. Draft a suitable advertisement in about 50 words. So word limit is given to you. To be published in the classified columns. So this is a classified advertisement that you are writing of a national newspaper, giving all the necessary details of qualifications and experience required in the receptionist. These are all the details that you have to include in order to write the advertisement. So how do you do this? So you have to put it inside the box as I told you. So this is enclosed inside a box. You write the ad and then put a box, or put a box and then write the advertisement. That doesn't matter. Okay, it's preferable you write it first and then draw the box. Okay, so then we need to give a heading for this. Situation vacant. Okay, situation vacant, or you can replace this vacant by situation wanted also. Okay, wherein there is a job vacancy. So wanted or vacant, both are okay. So situation wanted or situation vacant is fine. Then wanted a receptionist for Principal Sunrise Global School, Agra. I don't have a complete sentence over here. Okay. Then qualification, graduate. So this sentence is also not complete. Okay. Fluency in English is required. Then can be of either sex, can be male or female. That is also not complete sentence. Preferred age group 28 to 35. That is also not a complete sentence. With minimum 3 years of experience. So you can see here what is required in that person is given here. Preferred age group, that is also given, with minimum 3 years of experience, that also is given here. Then you have to also speak about the salary of that person. Salary and other benefits shall depend on the experience and qualifications. So that is the condition given by the principal. So apply with complete biodata before 25th of this month to the administrative. So whom to contact? Administrative officer of the school. The contact number is given. So nowhere you can see there is complete sentence. Fine. But you can also observe there are places in which we have used conjunctions, also articles. Okay, so we have used conjunctions, we have used articles. So it is not that we need to completely avoid it. Sometimes we can never avoid it. Okay, so such cases you can use. Otherwise, you may please avoid it. Okay, then the second example I am showing you. You are Harish or Harshita of 12 Seva Nagar, Pune. So the name of the person is given and the address is given here. You want to sell your flat as you are shifting to another city for work. Okay, so the reason is given over here. Draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words, the word limit, to be published in the Pune Times. So this doesn't matter. Whichever newspaper you publish it, that's fine. But that doesn't matter under the classified column. So again, you're writing a classified advertisement. So it should not be colorful, it should contain minimum text, and also it can be in 2 different font sizes. So first thing is you have to enclose it within the box. That is also done. So for sale, okay, that is the heading you are giving. Please put it in the left or in the center also is fine. Putting in the left is advisable. Then you write the address here. Flat number 12, Seva Nagar, Pune, that is ground floor with 2 bedrooms having attached bathrooms. Car parking available, park facing best location, friendly neighbors, 24-hour power and water supply, low maintenance charges and reasonable price. So in this whole thing you can see there is no complete sentence at all. Okay, but all the details are given here. Fine. So for further details, contact whom to contact. That is also given over here. Okay, whatever name you are choosing here, that shall be included over here. Fine. So this is how you write a classified advertisement. This was the second example I gave you. We have another type of advertisement also to understand. So what is that? We have something here, draft a display advertisement to promote the sale of new hair oil, the New Age Hair Revitalizer Cream for curing baldness and promoting hair growth, giving all the relevant details. So here it is not a classified advertisement. It is not a classified advertisement. This doesn't come under that category. That is, the reason is you are talking about the hair oil. Okay, you are not selling something, you are not buying something. It is not that you are asking for somebody to apply to the job, nothing like that. There is something which has to, wherein the picture has to speak. Okay, you can put it in different colors, you can put it in different colors, or you can also put it in single color, that is fine. Okay, so when it comes to the this one, see, you can see the boxes, it is enclosed in a box. Then you have different font sizes over here, isn't it? This is in a different size, this is in a different size, this is in a different size. Again, this also is different. There are various graphics that are involved here. Okay, and you also have the picture of the cream that is there, and also the person is there. So when you are writing in when you are writing in your answer sheet, you may just draw all these. Maybe like cartoons or caricatures, something like that, you can do that. Even if this is not there, that's fine. It is completely left to your creativity. Okay, only thing is very less words should be there, and yeah, this is preferable. Okay, putting the cream, that is preferable. Like what product you are trying to give, that has to be over here. Okay, so this was one of the examples that was given for display advertisement. Okay, so these were the two different types of advertisement that we had to understand. So what are the tips we need to follow while writing an advertisement? So being too vague or wordy would cause these people to skim your advertisement. Means if you put too many words, people will just skim it. Means they'll read whatever is required for them. Okay, means they won't even concentrate on few words, they'll just run through the advertisement. So they may skim instead of pausing to read it. They won't stop, read, understand and then complete it. No, maybe if you are vague or maybe too many words that are used, then it will be of no use at all. Okay, so the same writing tenets apply no matter what type of advertisement you are using, be it classified or a display advertisement. You have to follow this way only. It should not be too wordy at all. Then it should begin with a heading in bold or uppercase letters. Okay, so as I said, situation, vacant or wanted, whatever it is, please put it in capital letters. Okay, or in big font. Even if you are writing it in small letters, please put it in big font. Preferably, it has to be in capital letters. When you are writing it on your answer sheet, please make it little bolder. If you have crayons, that's fine. If not, please make it little bolder using your pencil and pen, whatever you are using. Do not use the same descriptive characters for every type of advertisement. Suppose you are writing situation vacant. Okay, then maybe that is for a job. Suppose you want to sell something, don't say situation selling. No, for sale you can write. So same type of characteristics you need not have to use. Same slogan need not have to be used for everything. Okay, so do not use the same descriptive characters. Do not make full sentences. As I gave you in examples, you could see there were no full sentences at all. Okay, they were all half sentences. That means they were phrases and dependent clauses. No independent clause was there. Always add contact details in the end, either in the form of contact number or email ID, or it can be both. Please give contact number and email ID, both. Okay, anything is fine. Whatever you feel they might respond quickly, you can do that. And also you need not have to write the contact number completely. You can just put XX there. Okay, so as I told you, 918056, then they had written XXX. Right, so this way you can put XX and complete the contact number. That's perfectly fine. Nowhere in the answer you are required to mention your own personal details. Okay, so your own personal details is not at all required. When you're writing your number also, you need not have to complete the number and you need not have to write your own personal details. That's perfectly fine if you don't mention. Okay. So these were few tips that we had to understand to write an advertisement. This is a very short video, but it is very informative video for you. Okay, so you will get few examples as well as few extra questions to practice. So please practice that, and whatever doubts you have, we are always there to clear your doubts. Okay, so let us meet again with another more interesting topic. So take care, keep learning. Thank you for your time. Let us meet again. Bye bye. See you soon.